quotient and remainder find out करना है, and division of the polynomial in two different methods. Easiest method is shortcut method, that is synthetic division method. Also we have learned. Okay, and now here without finding the division, remainder, how do we find out? Just I have stated you yesterday. So now let us go for the remainder theorem. Theorem is nothing but here which can be proved. Prove कर सकते हैं, that is called as a theorem actually. So now here the statement is that if p of x is any polynomial of degree greater than or equals to 1 and another any real number, small a is any real number, if p of x is divided by x minus a, then the remainder is p of a. Then the remainder is p of a. So here, so the word what we are dividing the polynomial by a linear polynomial x minus a. So the statement is, for the remainder theorem, the statement is p of x is a polynomial of degree greater than or equals to 1. Okay, p of x is a polynomial of degree greater than or equals to 1. So more than 1 degree hona, greater than or equals to 1. Then only a polynomial of degree more than 1 or equals to 1 can be divided by degree 1 polynomial. Degree 1 polynomial. So if you, this is a polynomial and a is any real number, then if you divide this polynomial p of x, if you divide this polynomial by x minus a, the remainder whatever you are going to get is p of a. Means p of a is nothing but the value of the polynomial at x is equals to a. So that is the called remainder. And how do we prove? Suppose you are dividing this polynomial by the p of x by the x minus a. X minus a is what here? G of x. Then you will get some remainder q of x and then can you hear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
There is
Yes,
a
sir.
So now, what is a division rule usually? Something is problem they are saying. Bishmita, is anyone here whose screen is white in color? Screen नहीं दिख रहा है?
No, sir.
अभी नहीं दिख रहा है?
No, sir.
Can you see the board?
Sir, white
Yes,
है
sir.
पूरा screen. The whole screen is white.
Completely white.
Yes, sir.
सर दिख रहा है सर
हाँ?
दिख
सर
रहा है
दिख रहा है
सर दिख रहा है सर
हाँ दिख रहे तो किसी को नहीं दिख रहे तो उनका सिग्नल प्रॉब्लम होगा. Okay, so once you out and again you join so that you. So now actually reminder theorem says to you yesterday p of x is equals to g of x into q of x plus r of x. I told you yesterday. A into A plus A. Either q of x is or r of x. So x minus A is g of x. So now this p of x can be written as x minus a is g of x into q of x plus r of x. Okay? Now here you replace this complete equation. In the place of x you write a. x का place में ये substitute करो. So इधर x का place में ये substitute कर दिया. तो इधर भी x का place में ये substitute कर दिया. q of a हो गया. ये r of x is nothing but remainder है ना. Actually, can you tell me the what will be the remainder? You are going to get a constant because you are dividing by the linear polynomial. ये क्या है? Linear polynomial. Linear polynomial से divide कर दिया तो linear polynomial से degree less वाला आ जाएगा. Degree less is nothing but you will get a constant. R is 0. Degree 1 से कम बोले तो degree 0. Degree 0 is nothing but constant. So it is a constant. So either you will get a constant this one or you will get a zero. So that's why you can replace this as a r remainder. So ये क्या होगा r a minus a completely zero हो जाएगा. So therefore p of a is equals to r. Therefore the remainder is p of a. So this is a proof of the remainder theorem. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
किसको लीजा?
Sir, Antika.
Okay. So here actually remainder theorem says to us, remainder theorem is okay. Remainder theorem is nothing but, see here, this is what division rule है, just like a division rule. We are dividing the polynomial p of x with x minus a. So then what you get in the g of x place में x minus a लिख दिया. तो बाकी सब तो same है. Now here I have replaced this one by substituting x is equals to a. X का place में ये ले लिया. So then this part becomes completely zero. Then we are going to get the remainder. Remainder क्या आया है? P of a आया. So therefore, when you divide any polynomial by linear polynomial x minus a, if you divide any polynomial by the linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is p of a. So this is called a remainder theorem. So remainder theorem आप देख लिया तो easily समझ में आ जाएगा. Problem solve कर दिया तो next in the same way you are going to have the factor theorem. So as we are having the remainder theorem, in the same way factor theorem. Okay, you tell me that what is meant by factor normally in case of the numbers. Numbers का केस में factor बोले तो क्या?
Sir, they are multiples or by which number they are divided?
Divisor is different from the multiple, which is called factor. Divisors are called factors. When you divide a number by another number, if you get remainder zero आ गया, तो then that is called as a factor, isn't it? Suppose normally देख लो 15 को 5 से डिवाइड करो, 5 3 is 15, remainder क्या हो जाएगा? 0 हो जाएगा. Remainder, then 5 is called factor. It is called as a factor. If remainder becomes 0, then it is called as a factor. Otherwise, it is not called as a factor. This is not called as a factor. Suppose if you divide 15 by the 4 3 is 12, remainder 3 आ गया है. Therefore, it is not a factor. If you perform the division clearly, so then it is not called as a factor. So in the same way, factor theorem may be if p of x is a polynomial of degree greater than or equals to 1 and a is the any real number, this x minus a is called the factor. कब बोलते हैं इसको? ये 0 हो गया. ये 0 हो गया तो ये इसको फैक्टर बोलना है ना. देखो ये 0 हो गया तो इसको फैक्टर बोलते हैं ना. सेम वे ये 0 हो गया तो इसको फैक्टर बोलते हैं. So that's why p of x is a polynomial. This is a polynomial of degree greater than 1. If p of x is a polynomial of degree greater than 1 and a is the any real number, then x minus a is the factor. First point is what? X minus a is factor if p of a is equals to 0. P of a means that is remainder is equals to 0. So this is one. Second statement, if p of a is equals to 0, x minus a is the factor of p of x. If x minus a is the 0, then p of a is x minus a is a factor if p of a is 0. Reverse है. p of x minus a factor बोल रहे हैं. Already I told you one polynomial मैंने दे दिया है. p of x is equals to polynomial दे दिया है. इसको polynomial पे x minus 2 factor होगा बोला मैंने. x minus 2 factor होगा. ये factor है इसको बोल दिया. So both here is nothing but p of 2 compulsory 0 होना है. p of 2 compulsory 0 होना. ये factor बोल दिया, दे दिया. करते समय किसी स्टेप में p of 3 0 आ गया, then you can say that x minus 3 is the factor. x minus 3 रिवर्स, ये फैक्टर बोल के दे दिया है तो p of 2 0 होगा, ये p of 3 is equal to 0 दे दिया है, then x minus 3 फैक्टर होगा, रिवर्स प्रोसेस. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ फैक्टर थ्योरम. फैक्टर थ्योरम इज वेरी सिंपल हियर. दो स्टेटमेंट्स होता है, रिवर्स स्टेटमेंट्स. इफ x माइनस ये फैक्टर है बोल के दे दिया तो p ऑफ ये 0, p ऑफ ये 0 दे दिया तो x माइनस ये फैक्टर होता है. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ फैक्टर थ्योरम. सो बेस्ड ऑन द फैक्टर थ्योरम, यूजिंग द फैक्टर थ्योरम ओनली, वी विल फाइंड आउट द फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल्स. पॉलिनोमियल्स को हम लोग फैक्टराइज करते हैं. So how do we factorize the given polynomials, and how do we find out the zeros of the polynomial? Based on the zeros, what are the problems you are having in exercise number 2.3? Let us see here. Okay, समझ में आया ना? एक्सरसाइज प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते समय आप समझ में आते हैं क्लियरली. So let us go for the exercise 2.3 problems. So and here in your notebook, write the statements of the remainder theorem. रिमाइंडर थ्योरम का स्टेटमेंट लिख के प्रूफ भी टेक्स्ट बुक में दे दिया है. टेक्स्ट बुक में देख के नोट्स, इन द नोट्स यू राइट द प्रूफ आल्सो. प्रूफ आल्सो यू नीड टू राइट इन द रिमाइंडर थ्योरम. रिमाइंडर थ्योरम का प्रूफ भी लिखना है. ओके, सो ट्राई टू राइट द रिमाइंडर थ्योरम प्रूफ. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है, वीडियो ब्लर है. सो योर नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम, कविता, आई थिंक सो. For everyone, screen is not visible to you.
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Screen is
Yes, sir, it is not clear.
People are not visible.
yes, sir.
It's busy. Are yes or no means what?
Sir, little bit blur, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Blur. Yes, sir. Blur. Yes.
Little bit blur.
It is not clear.
No, sir.
No, sir.
For anyone, it is clear.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then you would have told before only. बहुत पहले बोलना था actually.
सर आपका वीडियो भी ब्लर आ रहा है और आवाज भी बहुत धीरे से आ रहा है.